Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, welcome to our craft tutorial. Today we will show you how to create a lovely planter using a plastic bottle. This is a wonderful way to recycle or give a new purpose to a common household items. Let's get started. Start by removing any labels or stickers from the plastic bottle. Clean it thoroughly to ensure there are no residues. Dry it well before moving on the next step. Now it's time to get creative. Use acrylic paint or spray paint to cover the entire surface of your plastic bottle planter. Let your imaginations run wild with colors and patterns. Once the paint is dry, you can add additional decoration elements such as stickers or markers. And there you have it, your very own planter made from a plastic bottle. This die craft not only promotes recycling but also adds a touch of greenery in your living space. You can create multiple planters of various sizes and colors to create a stunning display. We hope you enjoy this visual tutorial. Happy crafting and gardening. Choose plants suitable for indoor or outdoor gardening depending on your preference and the environment where the planter will be placed. We have these collection to